Hello, beautiful people, future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine where I will be 5 minutes trying to improve my typing skills and then some coding skills, which will be a Bootstrap. Okay, so the Bootstrap tutorial. Let's get into it, shall we? So typing.io, and then I'll just start. Improve your typing. jQuery, why not? Okay, and start the timer. Yeah. Okay, I've wrote something. 6%, keep that down. Okay. Selector, string, POS, test, selector, jQuery, selector, this, context, index, this, oh crap, smaller than 0, jQuery filter, selector, this, length, 0, this, filter, selector, length, this, closest, function, selectors, context, varchar, oh crap, this red pass equal s test selectors, type of selectors not equal to string, jQuery selectors context, this context 0 for that smaller than L. I increase car this I while car if plus index car -1 jQuery find matches selector, car selectors, red, bush, car, brake, else, car, button, note, if, car, owner, document, oh crap, current context, car, not type, lots of typos, oh well. 5%, that's still not too bad. Okay, so, and we will be doing now what? Bootstrap tutorial. Okay, so first I will open the Bootstrap playground. Something which I like, and in this window, please. And I think I'm doing that on Refree Schools too, so Refree Schools, I'll switch there. And maybe, okay, so we'll change the background to in here. So bootstrap we say images. Oh, this looks nice. Besides the really slow loading of the images. Bum bum bum, sub 4. I think I like the best this guy. Yeah, I want you, Pikachu. Save image as. And this will be Bootstrap, stack, logo. Okay, I don't need you, we'll change you. Now we will go here. And the background image, we select this project only, and we choose the Bootstrap stack logo. Okay, like so, and maybe more transparent a little bit. That looks good. Okay, Bootstrap. Okay, I guess. Maybe I will play a little bit with the background, and I lost 3 minutes on the timer or whatever. Background image, what if it will be centered? No, no. I don't know. What is this? Okay, I guess. It doesn't really matter, does it? Okay, so next we finished Bootstrap text typography. Okay, so we are doing that. Lots of another tags is the thing I was doing, I guess. So we go there, and we had the block quote. So finish chapter. Okay, continue with block quote. I wrote it here. That's good. So I have a block quote, and that is Bootstrap, and that is free Bootstrap tutorial. I'll go there. Bootstrap free tutorial, and I have the chapter Bootstrap text typography. So somewhere in here is a text. I will find you. Text. Is it Bootstrap free tutorial? Series home. That is like fourth thing. It's typography. Just typography. So maybe I should rename it so it's not confusing. So do I will rename it, and I will say bam bam typography. Yeah, so it will be the same as here. So this is grid basic, for example, basics. So I do that guy and grid basics, grid basic, like that. Okay. So those are blue. So I will do just renaming packages, renaming directories, chapters, and project, and comment. Okay, that works. So now what? Now we will do the block quote. So I guess that is a thing in here. So we will do. Oh, this one was more complicated, right? It was like in a, if I have a P paragraph something, then then I will have another paragraph in here. Something else, and here we will have the block quote. This guy, and here I will say block quote. This is inside block quote. Okay, I will format it a little bit, and I don't know. Let's see it, shall we? Block out something. This okay, so this is not how you do it, apparently. So we will have a look at the block quote. DL is too far, block quote. Bootstrap will style the HTML block quote element with the following way. So this is how it looks like, but I want to know how to write it. So apparently I don't know the block quote thing. And different layout. Change orientation. Yeah, this is what I want. So we have block quote and oh, I see. So content from another source. Oh, it's like block and quote. Okay. And then that has a footer. Okay. So I can change it. So this is bad, but here I can do that. So this will be text for block quote. Then I will have the block quote in here, which I just delete you, and we'll do that. And here I will have the paragraph. Here is some text. You know what? I'll quote of the day. You can use something positive. Quote of the day in here, and we'll steal something. Don't value. What is it? Quality depends on generate advertising partners such as IP addresses and the cookies. Accept. Don't grieve anything you lose comes around in another form. I don't like that. Great arches. I like this. So when I click on it, can I copy it? Okay, so I will do that. And here I do that, and then it was footer, I think. Footer, and that will be this guy's name. And that should work, I think. So now I switch to it, reload, and it doesn't work at all. Okay, so what did it's footer. Okay, that's what I said. Copy, pasty, nothing. Okay, so what is it? Block quote. Ah, I did copy. Now copy, now pasty. It doesn't do what I want. Okay, so if I do inspect on this guy, I should see like the style, right? So I want the footer, and it says block color, and it goes from that guy type less. Okay, and here if I do that, I do inspect. And it says, yeah, so it says just display block. It's not exactly what I wanted. Here's breadcrumbs. Where's the color coming from? Background color is black. Da 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 da. Okay, I have a quote. It doesn't work. Why? Doesn't work. Okay, it is inside of a container. Is that something I have to have? Div with class container. I can try that. So we will put here will be div with class equal to container, yeah, and that I'll close it. Then come on, we'll cut you and put you at the end. A little bit of formatting, and let's see the result, shall we? Reload. It's just square, and it seems to me that like it is black. It is gray. I mean, So if I do go here and say blah, 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 how does it look? Okay, it's still in that, and it still looks gray to me. Oh, maybe it's black, but this is still not changed. Inspect footer. Oh, those works. Here's a reboot, root. Something I missed in the configuration, or here's the style sheet, here's the bootstrap script. I have no idea what is wrong here. True statement. What could be wrong? Me. uh, okay, this guy. It has a before thing, and here I guess it will not have before. Here's a block quote footer, and footer does not have anything in here. Here is before, after, box sizing. Okay, I was expecting the dash dash, and it's coming from something else. Here it is coming from before, is from block quote footer before. Type plus block quote small. Why you don't work? I don't know. I don't know right now, so let's put a pin on it and continue with another thing. And the other thing is DL, and here is like some example. D1 element in the following way. DL. Okay. So I can do H4. DL will be the thing, and I can say DL some string, and here will be P inside DL inside P. Save, view it. It's bold. Inspect, and now I want to see this guy as well. Can you show it? Okay. DL. What is that? DL, DTDD. That's something I'm not familiar at all. So I wrote it completely incorrectly. So that's DL, DT, and DD. Okay. I don't know what that is. So it will be, this will be deleted. Then I won't delete you. Now it will be DD. Oh, that's too much. Okay, DD. Uh, inside DD, and here will be DT. DT, I guess. DT, inside dt save, and let's have a look how it looks. Okay, inside dt, so I turn it. Okay, dt is first. dt and dd. dt first. Okay, so this one goes here, and I don't know. That's something. Maybe I'm missing something from HTML. Well, it looks like this, and I can do din, and din, and I move you here, for example, and have a look how it looks again. Well, it's here. Okay. It's like on the left, like touching the corner. Okay. Hmm. Weird. Weird. Anyway, so this is something, and you go away. Code. Code. Okay, that will be following H. Nice, nice, nice. So we can do code. So this one will you go away, and here we will be H4 we are using, and this will be code. Okay, and we'll say this is normal text, and then we will save code. This is inside say code, and normal text again. Save it, view it, upgrade it. It's pink. This is like a little bit different. So maybe I have different version of type of the Bootstrap. Maybe. Yeah, it has a background. Inspect, and if I inspect mine, oh come on. Inspect, here we go. So here, what does it say? Nothing, it's so slow. Okay, so padding, border color, color, background color is changed as well. Okay, and here, color without a background color. It looks like I have a different version of angle of the Bootstrap. Okay, so we'll close you two guys. There's a KBD. Install KBD element in following way. Use Ctrl-P to print the dialog box. Okay. I'll copy you, and I'll say H4 KBD, and we'll paste it, and this guy will go inside. How do I surround it? That was Control Shift T, Control T. No, how was it? Surround. Control Alt T, Control Alt T, and it will be stack. And I can press T, so it will be KBD. Press Enter. Save. Go here, and I don't have it open, so I open it. Here we go. That works. That's the same. Okay, so something works as expected. Pre. Oh, that's dark. Pre. What the freak is this? Text in pre-element is displayed with fixed weight font and it preserves both spaces and line breaks. Okay. So I'll copy you and then I will do the pre. Now I will paste this and I'll select that, and that was that. I will say pre. Save. And now I want to view it. Text and pre-element. Okay, I see. I kind of screwed up a little bit in here. Yeah, so maybe I want to select it like so. This, the pre, and we do this. Why it's like shifted again? Okay, so what about now? Okay, I will not fix it. Or will I? I don't know. I'll keep it as it is, I think. So that, reload. That's a little bit nicer. And I want to go to the next one, contextual colors and backgrounds. Bootstrap also has some contextual classes that can be used to provide meaning through colors. The classes for text colors are text muted, text primary, text access. Okay, so we will do that, and it will be h4 contextual background, and we will have p, and we say class text text dash muted. I add text muted. So something text is muted, text is important. Now let's just see if that works first. So if I reload it, text muted, it works. Okay, text muted. Okay, so I take this and do that. Now I'll select that, P, and then I say, okay, class, and here it will be text important. Maybe that will work, who knows. Reload. And text is important. Doesn't look like it changed anything. So let's have a look how text primary success. Why is it primary? No, I want text primary, yeah. Then I will do U and P, and we say class, and that will be text success. We have that. Go back. That P, and this will be class of class. Oh, come on. This will text information. Text in info. Okay, so maybe I can delete those lines. We are over the time, but let's finish this, shall we? So that P, okay, and now I do, yeah, class, and it will be text warning, okay, give that, and danger, okay, the B, okay, class text danger, I can do that, okay, so I'll save it. Now let's have a look how it looks. Okay, and that, and this I need to reload. Okay, important, muted, and so on. Oh, I like it. And now let's duplicate you. Yeah, and it will be what? BG or what was it? It's the same thing, right? BG primary success, info, warning, danger. Okay, so we will change the text to BG. Okay, so we do, and we will do it, well, we will do it here. Text with BG, this, how do I skip that, okay, let's see what it does. No, not here, here. Ha 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 ha. Text muted doesn't do anything, but other than that, it does colors. And it's different to the ones shown in here. Maybe my Bootstrap is really... Okay, so... leads. Okay, so I can say what to do next. And so we'll change the to the README and finish chapter, and we'll continue with and we will put you in those. Continue with more typographic classes. Okay, so save it. I will commit it. And yeah, so renaming reductories, and I will say that is typography chapter in progress, like so, and commit and push. Here we go. Okay, so we are over the time, so that means we are done. Done is better than perfect, and I don't have it. I don't have it published. Okay, so we can do git this share project on GitHub. Not really sharing in private. Share. That will be it. Bootstrap Playground, and we are done. And it's better than perfect. And I will see you next time. Bye.